You can find a full list of the products I use for this project, as well as a step-by-step tutorial on my website by clicking on the link below this video. Every closet is slightly different, so I'm going to explain the steps of creating a closet system. The first step is actually designing the closet organizer. Next is cutting your wood. After the wood is cut, it's time to create pockets to secure the boards together. Next is sanding the pieces to give you a smooth finish. Now it's time to build the closet organizer. After building, it's time for paint. I'm using my Critter paint sprayer, and as you can see, I'm also painting another piece. Now it's time to install the closet system. First, you want to install the rod supports. Take a tape measure and measure the distance between where you want the rods. After the walls are marked, use a nail gun to attach the rod supports. It's always a great idea to use a level. Also, make sure your nails are going through studs in the wall. Once the supports are installed, you can install the top shelf. After, measure where the organizer should be placed on the wall. You want to be mindful of where studs are because you will want to have the organizer secured to the wall through those studs. Then install the organizer. Next is adding the trim to finish off the closet. You will want to measure every piece to make sure you get a precise cut. After the pieces are cut, then install the trim with a nail gun. To give you the finish that you want, make sure you fill in the nail holes and the seams with a white sealant. After they dry, do a light sanding and touch up with paint just to give you the finish you want.